Here we've got the Ibanez on fairly low settings. What I will do now is start opening the gain and the volume, and let's see how much hum and noise we're getting from it. When it's on full gain, of course there's going to be a lot of noise. So let's first go for volume. Okay, so I've opened it up all the way on the volume. That's the amount of noise we got. If I look at full, we don't seem to have an increase in the amount of hum. Middle is about correct, and let's start. This is on a setting of 100% for volume. Now what I'm going to do is turn down the volume and do the opposite and increase the gain. Okay, and now we'll take the volume up to about there. That is a lot. So what we will do is we'll take the volume to about 10. That we'll put on about 9, and we will flip both those. Then we will switch on the overdrive, the tone, and the level. Now I'll start taking up the volume again. Okay, so let's hear what it sounds like. I think it's realistic to say that we'll work on about 11 here. So what we're going to do with the gain, we're going to put it on 9 and the volume on approximately 11. Level the tone stack, and let's hear what it sounds like. The guitar's got some hum and noise on it. Tube Screamer. It's 1 o'clock on the gain and 9 o'clock on the volume. So let's take the gain down to about 10 o'clock and the volume up to, let's say, 2 o'clock. Guitar noise. Listen.